The 7-inch color touchscreen on your Honda offers an intuitive layout and easy control of audio functions. Before you can use the system, vehicle power must be set to accessory or on. The system's power volume knob is to the left of the display. Push the knob to turn the system on and off, and turn the knob to increase or decrease volume. The phone button lets you access phone controls when your smartphone is connected via Bluetooth hands-free link. For more information, check out the Bluetooth pairing video. The radio button lets you select between radio bands. The selector knob on the right side of the display lets you tune the radio, or use the forward and back buttons to search for stations with a strong signal. You can also press one of the preset buttons at the bottom of the screen to quickly tune to your favorite station. By tapping and holding one of the existing preset spots, you can save the current station to the list. By pressing the media button, you can control audio streaming from a Bluetooth device or playing via iPod or USB flash drive through the vehicle's USB port. On this model, the media USB port is located just below the climate controls. When Bluetooth and USB audio devices are connected at the same time, press the media button again to toggle between the two sources. The Connect button is used for accessing Apple CarPlay and Android Auto when a compatible smartphone is connected to the vehicle. When no device is connected, you will be prompted to connect a phone to the vehicle's media USB port. A menu button is located below the system selector knob to the right of the display. The menu button gives access to audio system settings on the touchscreen, including Bluetooth settings, touchscreen sensitivity, and more. You'll find the back button next to the menu button. Press it to return to the previous display. Turning our attention to the steering wheel, you'll find several audio controls on its left side. Adjust volume, change audio source, seek and skip functions, and a talk button used for engaging with your compatible smartphone's voice service when connected. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.